Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I will show you step by step how to add Google Analytics to your website and how to integrate it and how to get it ready to analyze your results. So I will be doing this step by step. As I mentioned, I am not logged in to my website yet, so please bear with me if it will take a little bit longer. Because it's a real-time process, so you will see how long it takes. So first of all, go to Google Analytics. The best way is just to Google search for Google Analytics and click on the analytics.google.com. The URL will be in the description. And in a new window, you will have an option to sign up with your Gmail address. If you haven't got it yet, you can create it in the process. So basically you have to sign up, then add the tracking code. So the Google Analytics will generate the tracking code for you and you can input it into your website. I'll show you how to do it because it's very easy. And then you will be able to track how your audience interacts with your website. So first of all, click on sign up. And then you've got an option what you would like to track. You can track either website or a mobile app. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate a website. So put account name, you can put your business name. So I'll put Rock Paper Copy. Well, Rock Paper Copy already got Google Analytics, so I'll just put my first name, my second name, so there's no confusion for analytics. Website name. So website name, it's not URL, it's just your website name. So I'll put Rock Paper Copy. Because I've got my website already integrated, I will see how to add. I've got a few different URLs which are not really connected to the current website. I'm not sure if I will be able to do it. Let me just check. Let me just check if it will work because it will be interesting. So I've got another URL which is called info, and although it is not connected to my website, the domain name is active, so we'll see if it's going to be good enough for analytics. We will check. Okay, now check your industry category, whichever suits your niche. For example, shopping, and the time zone. So what kind of time zone? Reporting time zone. So if you're based in UK, you can leave it as GMT. If you're based in other location, obviously you can search for it here. So if you're based in USA, obviously USA has got few time zones, but it gives you Hawaii time as the option. Okay, then you've got a few options that are about privacy policy, terms and conditions. So you can read them. You can probably it's all required to tick before you sign up. So let's go ahead and click on Get Tracking ID. Google Analytics. I also accept data processing terms. Okay. What else? So the measurement controller. So probably it's something specific to UK only. Okay, so I accepted those additional terms and conditions, and I'm being taken to the Google Analytics admin area where I can generate the tracking code. So basically this is the tracking code which you can copy, and then I think this is the main code that is actually, this is your Google Analytics ID which you will be using later. This is the global site tag, gtag.js tracking code for this property. Copy and paste this code as the first item into the head area of every web page that you want to track. So basically in the head area of your template or of your home page. If you already have a global site tag on your page, simply add the config, which is this ID line from the snippet below, to your existing global site tag. So how to find your head area. So if you have Shopify, obviously you go to the theme editing section and edit the main theme. I'm guessing, I think it's theme JS. Obviously, it's a different one for each template, for each website, not for each website, but for each template. If you've got different store, obviously you have to go to your template code and then paste in this. This code is the first item into your whole head area. So when the head code starts, in the HTML code you input it right below it. That basically allows Google Analytics to track your website, then you save it, and that's how you integrate Google Analytics onto your website. And this is your tracking ID, which you will be using later if you've got few elements that you track on your Google Analytics. So that was easy. There is a different video that I covered how to read your Google Analytics data, but obviously there's nothing yet. You will probably need a few days, maybe a week after you install the code, so Google Analytics can track it and can display it in the dashboard. So I hope you found this video useful. It was brought to you by Rock Paper Copy. And if you'd like to learn more about SEO, about optimizing your website, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on social media at Rock Paper Copy, and also visit me on www.rockpapercopy.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.